And now I'm properly out. I'm 33 years old. And in 2008, I got shot by a bullet in my chest. Then I had problem in my throat. And after that, I came to here. So finish surgery, around 8 surgery, and 12 blocking. I don't know what is the problem. They told me that this will not solve. It will be lifetime. Then I talked to my president. He told me there is one for the doctor. I will show him the reports. And that time he told me to come. So the chief of the clinic is saying it's possible to minute. And now I'm fine. We just closing time.
So how's your voice and eating? How do you feel?
It's normal. I don't know. When you eat, I walk almost 5-6 kilometers per day. I don't feel anything.
And before that, they had told you that you would have to live with a tube in your neck forever.
Yeah. And he also told me like he would put that with that extent. Oops. You didn't tell me it's good.
But now you're satisfied, you can breathe properly, you can walk around, you don't feel tired, your voice is good.
Normally, the pain, feeling, all of just
So, thank you for having faith in us, thank you for the hope, and we're always there for you.
Thank you for you because you